What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite a long time since I uploaded a video and it's pretty windy out here, so I am hoping that there's no background noise. But then yeah, I'm back again with another modification video, but this time around it's my car instead of the bike. So we'll be quickly going around the accessories that I have installed in the Ford EcoSport. There are quite a lot of accessories that I have fitted and a lot of things that I've changed, including the system, the front grille, and a lot more, which I will take you around. So let's get started. So right off, the first thing you can see is the front grille, and it's got these 3 LED lights here. Let me just quickly start the car and show the lights to you. Yeah, so this is how the light is once you have started the car, and it looks pretty cool. So this is the stock LED which comes from the Ford, but I have changed the LED light. This is the one from Osram, and that changes the complete look of the car, but really effective at night as well. I'll be sharing the link to all the accessories that I've changed in the description below, so you can check it out. There are a few things which I have fitted and installed from Feelup Accessories. I'll put their contact details and directions. If you stay in Bangalore, it's the right place to visit. It's got 5-star ratings as well, reason why I visited that place. And most of the accessories you see in this car were installed from there, so link in the description. Alright, so next thing is this Fender, which I'm not a big fan of. This was installed from third party. I had ordered these from Delhi, but as you can see, it's coming off, and I don't think it's worth it. This was somewhere around 2,500. I had made a separate video for this. I'll put that link in the description as well, or you can click on the I button for more info. But yeah, as you can see, it was completely not worth it, and it's all coming off. It's actually chipping off here and there. Next thing is the spoiler. This was also from Delhi, but again, totally not worth it. This was just somewhere around 1,500, but as you can see, there are a lot of cracks and things. He was supposed to send me a replacement, but then he completely stopped responding. So yeah, I wouldn't suggest anyone to buy things from third party. I would suggest you to go to Ford and install the fenders, because that's of really good quality. And the external, I don't think I'm missing out anything. Yeah, the rain visor, this is somewhere around 1,500 if I'm not wrong. In the rear, I have removed the cover, the wheel cover, because this looks better, I feel. But yeah, I might put it back. Alright, now quickly let's check the interior of the car. So as you can see, it's got this really beautiful interior with brown finish. The seat covers are also changed, and it's got this diamond finish design. The major change I would say is this 10.1-inch infotainment system. This is a 4GB 32 GB ROM system, and it's very smooth. This is running Android 11 as per the is what is mentioned in the about or the system info, but I'm not sure. I don't see or feel any lag when I'm using the system. The best part about the system is that it's got wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Unfortunately, there's one USB which becomes dummy if you're installing this in your EcoSport, but then yeah, this also supports wired Android Auto in case you want a better response from your system. Alright, so this is about the system, and yeah, it's really nice. You can play YouTube, Netflix. Z-Link is for the Android Auto. Awesome. And this is the custom launcher, Car Web Guru. I have customized this myself. In fact, I downloaded this theme from YouTube and installed it here, and made few customizations myself, like adding this EcoSport image over there. Other than that, as you can see, I've changed the speakers as well, not just the front doors, the rear as well. So these are the JBL component speakers, stage 3. These were also installed from Feelup. And then I have put this 3D mat. I wouldn't suggest you to put this because it might cause you a few problems later on. Feelup has this 7D mats of black and white color. That looks really great. But you can check the prices with them once you have watched this video. Alright, next again we have changed the speakers, which unfortunately I'll not be able to show you guys. But then this is the seat cover. Like, look at the finish. It's just really good. I really love how the car looks right now. So let me quickly show you the stock speakers, which you can ignore whatever is kept here. So this is the stock speaker. This one is the rare one. It's 25 watt. It's the same up front as well. And this is what I have installed. This is the JBL stage 3, and this is the model number in case you are looking for this component speakers. And this is how the car looks. The system looks brilliant. So I have installed this ambient light as well from Feelup. So this is how it looks. It looks really good at night. Currently, yeah, ignore the dirt. You can change the color using this remote as to whichever color you want. This even reacts as per the music that you're playing. I'm not sure if I have any music here. No, I need to connect to Android Auto or the internet in order to play, but it's not possible right now because I'm using the phone currently. I'm recording this using my phone. So talking about the cost, these seats, this is Napa leather. So this will cost you somewhere about 10 to 15,000 depending on the car that you have, and also if it has this armrest and things like that. So based on that, I mean armrest, headrest and all of those included. So based on that, the price will differ. Alright, let me also quickly show you the fit and finish of the system, the frame and panel gaps. As you can see, there's nothing as such. I'm really impressed with the fitting. It's quite nice. They have done a really good job. So the system starts, they have all varieties of systems. It starts from 5,000 and goes all the way to a lakh or two. I'm not sure what are the high-end systems they have. So this is one of the high-end systems. It has 4GB RAM and 32GB ROM, as I mentioned before. It's got good storage, and it's also got this canvas functionalities. So if you open the right door, it'll come up in the screen. So if you close it, it will even have the speed details, compass. It's connected completely to your car. So any information that was there in your previous or the old system will also come up here. So my previous system didn't have this Android Auto and CarPlay, reason why I had to get it changed. It was a 9-inch screen. This is a 10.1 inch. So I'll show you how the previous model was as well, in case you want to see it. But this one looks really amazing if you ask me. Alright, I don't think I have made any other changes other than so yeah, this is the rear. I think I spoke about the speakers, ambient light, Android unit, exterior I've shown you guys earlier as well. So yeah, I'll put the link to that video in the description as well. Alright, so that's about the modifications that were made in this car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.